We all know the thrill of a winning trade, but let's face it, losses are part of the game. Today, we're talking about how to handle those losses like a pro and turn them into fuel for your future success. So, you just took a hit, the red numbers are flashing, and your stomach's doing flips. It's normal to feel frustrated, angry, even defeated. But here's the deal. Dwelling on that loss won't make it disappear. Instead, let's use this opportunity to learn and grow. Accept the inevitable. Losses happen. Even the best traders experience them. So accept it, move on, and don't beat yourself up. Analyze, don't agonize, don't just wallow in the pain. Take a deep breath, grab your trading journal, and analyze what went wrong. Did you stick to your plan? Was your risk management in check? Were there external factors you couldn't control? Learning from your mistakes is key to future success. Don't let emotion rule. Losses can trigger fear, greed, and revenge trading. Resist the urge to chase your losses or make impulsive decisions. Stick to your trading strategy and keep your emotions in check. Focus on the process, not the outcome. You can't control the market, but you can control your process. Focus on making good trading decisions, following your rules, and managing your risk. Don't get hung up on winning or losing every trade. Celebrate the small wins. Don't wait for a home run to feel good about your trading. Celebrate small victories like sticking to your plan, managing your risk effectively, or identifying a good trade setup. These small wins build confidence and momentum. Seek support. Trading can be a lonely journey. Talk to fellow traders, mentors, or communities for support and guidance. Sharing your struggles can be incredibly helpful. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Trading is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term losses. Focus on continuous learning, improvement, and adapting to market conditions. Remember, successful traders aren't immune to losses. They're just better at managing them, learning from them, and coming back stronger. So keep your head up, traders. Use these losses as fuel for your growth and become the trading pro you were meant to be. Leave a comment below with your best tips for handling trading losses. What helps you bounce back? And don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and happy trading.